Hello coders, welcome to our channel 10 minutes code, and today we are going to create a first server app with the help of Nodejs. So first of all, we are going to create a folder and we are going to name this as first server app. Okay, and then we are going to open with this code editor. It depends on you which code editor you use. I prefer VS Code. And now I am going to create a backend folder inside this. Okay, and in terminal I will open terminal, and in terminal I am going to write cd backend so that I will be in the backend folder. Now we can open this, and now what we are going to do, first of all we are going to write npm init -y, so it will create a node project. Okay, sample node project. Now we don't have anything. First of all, with here we are going to write a type as module. Okay, so here in this ES6 syntax we are going to use module syntax, which is a latest JavaScript syntax. So we have to after we write npm init y, we will get a package.json folder, and in package.json folder first we have to write a type module. Now inside the script we have to write a start, and in the start we are going to write npm node index.js, which we are going to create now. And we are going to create one more thing, which is dev, and inside this we are going to write nodemon index.js. So I'm going to show you what the nodemon is in this project. So nodemon is in node project, when we make changes in our backend files, or when we edit the code, then it stops the project. But if you use nodemon, then it will automatically call the server again and again after making changes. Okay, that's the difference between nodemon and node, so it saves much time. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to npm install nodemon, and one more thing, which is npm install express. So express is just a library in node npm, where we are going to specify the path and we are going to work on servers. So in almost all the projects we require express. Okay, I will show the usage of this, and there will be node modules which will be created for nodemon and express. Okay, and there will be package.log JSON. We are not going to focus these for now. And now I am going to create a index.js file. Okay, and one more thing, I am going to create a config.js. Instead of config.js, you can also use env file, which we'll make a separate video in env file. First, for now we are going to use config.js, and here we are going to export const port. Let me just we are going to write export const port is equal to 555. Okay, so this is a variable which you are exporting from. This will be a constant variable which you are exporting from config.js to index.js. Now we'll come to index.js. First of all, let's import express from express, and then I'm going to import port from /config.js. Okay, so these two things we are importing here. And now what we are going to do, we are going to create a app with express function. So this will allow our app to use express. Okay, now we are going to run this on a server. Okay, for you can choose any server. I am choosing 555 port number. So here I am going to write app.listen. So this listen function is used to start the server. This listen function is used to start a server. And now I am going to pass here port, comma, and then I am going to write a arrow function, and inside this arrow function I am going to console.log, and I am going to write port is running on dollar port. That's all. Here we are going to use this. Okay, fine. So this will run the port. Okay, let's check it out. So here I am going to write npm run dev because we are using Nodemon, and we can see our app crash because of some issue. Let me check it out. Okay, so port number 555 is already used. So sorry, I am using this port in my another desktop. I am going to change this port, so I am going to write 444, and then after it will okay, now updated the code, and I can see it automatically, Nodemon automatically executed again. Okay, so we can see port is running on 444. Now I can open the website 444 in a Chrome browser. So I am going to write localhost 4444, and we can see our website is working, but we cannot get this. Okay, so to get this slash, we are going to first specify the path here. So okay, I am going to write in about the app.listen, I am going to write app.get. So here we will specify a particular path. Here I am going to specify this, and then what I am going to do, I am going to create an arrow function. Okay, arrow function, and we can pass two variable here, which is request and result. Okay, here it will be comma. Now what we can do, we are going to write result dot status, which will be the status code. Okay, so here we can pass status as 234. If the page is not found, the status code will be automatically be 404, but now we are going to pass status code as 234 because the page is found, and we are going to write dot send, and here we can write a message. So welcome to first node app. Okay, now let's check it out. Let's reload this page, and now we can see here we can hit the slash, we are going to find welcome to the first node app. Suppose same thing I am going to copy down, and here in the slash I am going to write home, and here I am going to write welcome to home. So when I write here slash home, then we can see our page has been changed and it's written as welcome to home. That's how the first node app we have been created with the help of Express. Okay, only one thing, Express we are using here. Nodemon is just library which is used to run the code again and again after making changes, which helps a manual work. It is automated. So we have created two get function for home page and for index page, and we have created a listen function to run the port. So this will be necessary in all the apps to start the port. And in config.js we have created a constant variable which we are exporting to index.js. That's how our first Node.js app has been created. So for more web development, machine learning and lead code videos, just subscribe us at 10 minutes. So thank you.